Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Don't be a stranger, be like. 1. Hey, long time no see. The friendship loading screen finally finished. 2. Come say hi. A simple greeting can restart the conversation. 3. Remember me. Hopefully the memory card is still working. 4. Where have you been? It sounds dramatic, but sometimes life gets busy. 5. You disappeared. No worries. Maybe they were just on airplane mode. 6. Come join us. Nobody feeling left out. 7. Don't be shy. A friendly smile can make things easier. 8. It's been forever, even if it has only been 3 weeks. 9. Let's catch up. Sometimes a little conversation goes a long way. 10. I haven't heard from you. Time for a friendly check. I'm not an interrogation. 11. Knock knock. The friendship door is open. 12. You still remember us. We save your friendship lot. 13. Welcome back, returning to your favorite game lobby. 14. Don't disappear. Again, friendly reminder. We enjoy hearing from you. 15. Come hang out. Good company makes ordinary moments more fun. 16. Hey stranger, congrats. You have officially become a stranger. 17. Long time buddy. The reunion episodes has finally arrived. 18. What's your hello? Even a tiny greeting can brighter someone's day. 19. Come talk to us. No pressure, just good vibes. 20. We miss your jokes. Every group needs who brings the comedy. 21. You're alive. Dramatic working. Friendly intention. 22. Look who showed up. The surprise guest has entered the chat. 23. Don't be a stranger. Keep the friendship connection alive. 24. Come back anytime. A warm welcome makes people feel comfortable. 25. Hey, remember that old story? One memory can restart the whole conversation. 26. Let's not lose touch. Staying connected keeps friendship growing. 27. You owe us a hello. Just kidding. Greetings are always optional and welcome. 28. The gang is complete. One familiar face can change the whole mood. 29. Good to see you again. Simple, respectful, and genuinely friendly. 30. Don't be a stranger unless your delivery pizza, then you may enter immediately. Don't be a stranger. Say hello, share, smile, and keep good vibes going. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.